You have to sit down. Sit down, ha? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Learn how to sit down. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Turuan natin siya mag-sit down, ha? Mag-sit down ka. No, you have sit down, sit down. You sit down, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Yes. No. Okay, okay. Oh, sit down na. Sit down. No, sit down. Sit down. You have to sit down. You know how to learn how to sit down. Sit down na, please. Paano ko siya turuan mag-sit down? Ayaw niya. Gusto niya nakatayo. Sit down. Sit down na. Tinitagasan niya yung katawan niya. Sit down na. Sit down, baby. Yes. Sit down. Paano siya matututo mag-sit down ganyan? Tinitigasan niya yung katawan niya. Today is your 6 months old. You are 6 months old already. You have to learn how to sit down. Other baby know how to sit down and crawl. Why you? Why don't you want, huh? 不可以这样，你知道吗？你学习走，你这一脚，走，不行啊，不要站起来，走，紧走，紧走，紧走。Oh my gosh. Mali ba yung pagturo ko? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? What do I have to do? Anong gagawin ko? Gusto ko siya matutong mag-sit down na. But, he refused to sit down. Gusto niya matumayo na agad. Di pa siya marunong dumapaw. May G. Ay, hindi pala. Gumapang. Marunong na siya dumapa. Di pa siya marunong gumapang. Pag nakadapa naman siya, iyak siya na iyak. Kasi hindi niya maano yung katawan niya. I don't know why. Everyday, binibigyan ko siya ng exercise. Hindi ko alam ang problema ko ba? O hindi siya matuto? Is that my problem ba? Tulungan niyo naman ako eh. Paano ko siya maturuan na makaupo ng maayos? Makaupo ng maayos. Gusto niya nakatayo na lagi. Yun lang. Say hi to them. Hi! Hi! Say hi to them. Hi! Thanks for watching. Please, comment naman po kayo kung ano pwede kong kay baby. Paano siya mag-sit down properly. Ayaw niya na mag-sit down. Tingnan niyo, tinitigasan yung katawan niya. Again na, ulitin natin. Sit down, ha? Sit down. No. Yes, sit down. See? Crying lang siya. Sige na po. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.